This video will be very informative from the perspective of hosting and servers, so switch to 1.5 play speed for better viewing experience.
Are you still confused to choose the right server hosting for your company? Because you don't want to pay for extra unused space, and also you don't want to face any downtime and want a powerful server which fit under your budget? Well, Rackbank Cloud Hosting can be the best solution to your problem. Still not sure about the cloud hosting? Then keep watching the video. In our previous video, we have got to know that there are different types of hosting, and in which we have covered the dedicated, the VPS, and in this video, we are going to cover about the cloud. A simple Google definition says that cloud hosting is a service that divides computer resources such as server, storage, database, network, software, analysis, and intelligence over internet to offer faster, innovative, flexible resources and economic to scale. Let's understand the computer hosting in easy manner. A computer hosting is like renting a computer space which is available on internet. Instead of purchasing your own physical computer to store the website or the data, you can simply use the powerful computer that is connected to the internet. But let's understand it more deeper level, that how a cloud hosting actually works and how it is different from other hosting types. Let's take some real life example to understand the cloud hosting in much better manner. Imagine a giant library which have thousands of a bookshelf, and each bookshelf is like a powerful computer. Instead of owning your own bookshelf, you can rent a space on one of the bookshelves to store your books, and this book is like your data or your website and anything that you want to host. And the best part about this, that if you want to add more space, you can rent more bookshelves or the powerful computers from the library. And if you want to reduce, you can simply reduce the shelf or the space. So in this manner, you are just going to pay for the space that you are using. You don't have to pay for the extra spaces which is not even in your use. And that's why the cloud hosting is considered to be most economic for the budget. Now, after completing and understanding all the concepts and the logic of a cloud hosting, it's time to know about how exactly a cloud hosting works. In cloud hosting, we are having number of a physical server present in our data center, and these servers are divided into multiple virtual machines. Just like we have divided a dedicated server using a virtualization layer into a VPS, in the same manner, we are using a virtualization layer in this dedicated server to create a virtual machine. Now, in this virtual machine, we are storing our data. This is you, and you are storing your data and the website and everything in these virtual machines. Your data is getting copied and duplicated in every single machine. So even if any one machine goes down, you will switch to another machine. If this machine goes down, you will get switched to another one. So this is how you will never face the downtime, because your data is present in multiple virtual machines. Even if you want to add more data, you can simply add one more virtual machine according to that. And if you want to reduce, you can just simply cut or reduce the virtual machine according to your access. So this is completely customized according to your need and your want, and you don't have to pay for the extra space that you are not even using. And that's why cloud hosting is considered to be most economic, because of this facility that a computer hosting is providing. And that's how a cloud hosting works. So instead of owning and maintaining your own computer, you can simply pay to use a part of much bigger and powerful computer that's already online. And this is simply what cloud computing is. Are you looking for the best cloud hosting solution? Well, you are at the right place. Our company, Rackbank Data Center, provide the cloud hosting services at really affordable prices. You can visit our website rackbank.in to explore more about our pricing plans, because we are currently serving 5,000 plus customers under our roof, and we are economical cloud services. For more information, you can contact us and visit our website. Thank you.